What is going on, you guys? Thank you so much for joining me back on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. Today we are headed over, you saw the title correctly, we are headed over to the very first car show, pretty much in Southern California. The very first one I've been to since the quarantine started, and it's pretty much coming to an end now, thank God. But you know, there's still shelter-in-place rules, there's still social distancing rules and stuff like that. But you know, it's great to see that the community is coming back together and car shows are coming back around, and I'm just super excited. It's been so long since I've been to a car show, probably like 3 or 4 months, and it's gonna be great to finally see everybody again. And yeah, so this one's it's a night show. It's from 5 to 8 p.m. Over at Status Racing. They make seats and stuff like that, so it's gonna be pretty awesome. It's supposed to be pretty big. I saw on Instagram, local car scene, Justin, the guy that's hosting it, he posted on Instagram promoting it about a week ago, and it got like 3,000 shares or something like that. So it's supposed to be a pretty big show. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. That's what we have planned for today. We're gonna head to the car wash right now, wash this thing because it is just terribly dirty. It is just terribly dirty. And then we're probably gonna head over to the car show. It starts right now, it's like 3:45 and it starts at 5 o'clock. So we wanna be like the first ones there, or at least close to the beginning, because we wanna get a pretty good parking spot, and then we should be good. So that's the plan. All right, we made it. Oh man, definitely a car show tonight. Everyone's cleaning their cars. Cambered out FRS. That thing is super clean. Got the Mustang. At least it's not a 4-cylinder. The Mercedes. Amazing. That thing is clean though. Would I personally ever do that much camber to my car? I don't think I could. He still has a fair bit amount of like ground clearance. Okay, the Mustang's leaving. We're out. All right, we got the Civic over there. Man, it is like car central over here today. All right, so I'm gonna jump out and I'm gonna wash this thing real quick. Probably a 20-minute wash, so it's not gonna be too quick, but for you guys, it's gonna be like, seriously, like 5 seconds. And it's gonna look really good because I'm gonna wax it and all that, so it's gonna look pretty good. All right, see you guys in a few. All right, we out of here. All washed up. You guys already know how this goes. Oh God, those people, we gotta go. Air dry. This, I gotta fix this eventually too. I gotta like take the entire thing apart. But so we were gonna go to the other car wash they have like right next door to the car wash we were at, like the less popular one, but it was packed because people like to just hang out there. So we're gonna find another spot where there's less people. I might drive through somewhere. I'm kind of hungry. I got a Burger King gift card I've never used, so I might do that. So while we're sitting here in the Burger King drive-thru, I thought it would be a perfect time to thank every single person that has watched my last few videos. Seriously, my last 4 or 5 videos have taken off like way better than any of my last videos or previous videos have done, and it's just insane to watch. You know, it makes me want to go out and film another YouTube video, so it's pretty amazing. If you guys weren't watching my videos, it wouldn't be as fun, that's for sure. So thank you so much for commenting, if you've commented or if you've left a like or anything, and if you've subscribed, thank you so much for contributing to my journey. I really do appreciate it. I know subscribers aren't everything, but it is fun to see the number go up and stuff. So I'm gonna order this real quick. Do not sleep on this. $1.89. Like, what? All right, guys, so I was just eating and I looked down at the time and it's literally 5 till 5 and the car show starts at 5 o'clock. So we're headed over there right now. My friend said they're gonna be there in like 10 or 15 minutes, so that's pretty awesome. I'm so excited. I haven't been to a car show in seriously 4 months, so this is just gonna be awesome. Okay, so you guys wouldn't believe this right now, but if you look back there, they have the entire road closed going to the freeway right now in my city because of like some riots going on. But we're all being directed around. There's a huge line of traffic right here. We got to go down to basically Winchester Road, and then we're going to cut across to basically go the other way. So it's going to take a little bit longer, but we'll get there. I was talking to Robert, the homie. He's already there. He said it is packed. Good luck finding parking. So hopefully we get a good spot. If not, that's totally fine. Oh God, they got the helicopter out.
Hey, Johnny.
Yo, man, how's it going?
Going really well. How about yourself?
Awesome, doing good. I'm cruising over. The police have Rancho Cal closed from all the way from like the beginning of Times Square Pizza to the freeway.
Target and the lake are completely closed.
Because of all the riots and stuff?
Yep.
Oh my.
There are people losing Target.
No.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm finding a different way, a different route. How did you get there? Sounds good. I'll be there in like T-minus, hopefully like less than 10 minutes.
I feel you. There's so many cars here, dog. Just find somewhere to park and then just.
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'll be there soon. So that's where we're at. Looks like it's gonna be, I don't want to go this way because there's a lot of traffic. This is basically right here. This duck pond is where all the riots are going on. So I'm gonna probably actually go around this way. So yeah, that's the plan, boys. There we are. We got this BRZ here in front of us. We're just gonna follow it there. Pretty sure he's headed the same place we are. I also just saw a yellow Mustang, so yes. All right, you guys, so we just made it. It looks like it's gonna be a little bit of a hike, but that's totally good. At least we found a parking spot. I'm so excited right now. This show is huge. There's gonna be so many people. Okay, enough talking. Let's go see some awesome cars.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
People here, seriously. It's pretty lit. David and his girly friend over here. Robert's here. Got the curls. I got my surgical mask on. Nobody has a mask on besides us. I'm chilling. Yeah, it's fine, you know. Look at all these cars though. Robert, get this, please. It's your next car, okay? It's your next car. All right, guys. So we're at the car show right now. Check it out. Oh, shoot. Red Nismo. That's clean. All right, guys. So I'm probably gonna end the video because my camera's about to die. It's like blinking red right now. The show is absolutely insane, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So it's the next morning, I'm editing this video right now, and I totally forgot I never made an outro because my camera died. Thank you guys so much for watching, I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please drop a thumbs up on this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or anything. I'm replying to everybody, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button, I would really appreciate it if you do that. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're actually approaching pretty quickly, which is insane. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.